What if I told you that the secret to burning fat isn't just about hitting the gym or starving yourself? It's hidden in the power of 6 incredible superfoods, carefully combined into one revolutionary formula, Mitolyn. These superfoods work synergistically to torch fat, boost energy, and transform your body. Stick around as we reveal these 6 superfoods and how they can help you achieve the weight loss you've been dreaming of. Mitolyn isn't just another supplement. It's a science-backed breakthrough designed to target the root cause of stubborn fat, your mitochondria. Think of mitochondria as your body's energy factories. When they're working optimally, your body becomes a fat-burning machine. But what makes Mitolyn so effective? The answer lies in its 6 superfood ingredients, each chosen for their incredible fat-burning and health-boosting properties. First on our list is the Maqui Berry, a powerful antioxidant superfruit. This berry is packed with anthocyanins, which fight inflammation and support your mitochondria. By reducing oxidative stress, Maqui Berry helps your body burn fat more efficiently, giving you the energy you need to stay active throughout the day. Next up is Schisandra, a little-known gem in the world of superfoods. This adaptogenic herb has been used for centuries to enhance stamina and reduce stress. But here's the kicker. It also helps your body metabolize fat faster. Imagine having more energy and burning calories effortlessly even while resting. Now, let's talk about citrus bergamot. This citrus superfood is known for its ability to regulate blood sugar levels and improve cholesterol. But that's not all. It also activates key fat-burning enzymes in your body, making it easier to shed those stubborn pounds. Eleuthero root, also known as Siberian ginseng, is a powerful adaptogen that boosts endurance and mental clarity. But what makes it a weight loss superstar? Its ability to improve oxygen utilization in your cells, helping your mitochondria work at full capacity. The result? Accelerated fat burning and increased energy. PQQ might sound complicated, but its role in weight loss is simple. It stimulates the growth of new mitochondria in your cells. More mitochondria mean more fat-burning potential. It's like upgrading your body's internal engine to turbo mode. Last but certainly not least is KSM66 ashwagandha. This clinically proven form of ashwagandha helps reduce cortisol levels, the stress hormone linked to belly fat. By keeping stress in check, this superfood not only aids in weight loss but also enhances your overall well-being. Individually, these superfoods are powerful, but when combined in Mitolyn's advanced formula, they work together to supercharge your metabolism, suppress cravings, and unlock your body's natural fat-burning potential. It's not just a supplement, it's a complete transformation tool. Imagine having these 6 fat-burning superfoods working for you every single day. Don't wait any longer to take control of your weight loss journey. Click the link in the description to learn more about Mitolyn and get started today. Thousands have already experienced life-changing results. Why not you? Think about this. You've struggled long enough, and now the solution is right in front of you. With Mitolyn, you're not just buying a supplement, you're investing in a healthier, happier version of yourself. But you need to take action now. Click the link below, order Mitolyn, and start your journey to a leaner, more energetic you. Remember, this is your time. The power of these 6 superfoods is waiting to transform your body. Don't let this opportunity slip away.